For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
Yeah. Well, it's a very clear indication of our level of evolution. We are still evolving as a society and as individuals. I think it's just a reflection of the fact that we still have a long way to go to evolve into beings that can, be bereft of all these problems and issues of assumptions and attacks, and it's not right.
We're not here to talk about it.
I don't think right now we should talk about it, but I have given my opinion on it, and I want to stick to that opinion. But let's all hope for a happy ending for everyone. Thank you.
Yeah. I spoke about it initially जब ये बाहर आया था मैंने कहा भी कि protesting peacefully is fine, it's a democracy, everyone should be allowed to voice their opinion totally and we should respect that, but making a threat is something that should not be allowed in a democracy, and I believe in our judiciary and I'm sure they'll manage it.
कौन सी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करें? Yes. What about it? Ask me a question and I can answer it. No, I don't think things have worsened. I think it's taking longer than anybody anticipated, and of course we're all surprised by the fact that it's taking so long. In the regular course of things, it never takes so long. So of course we're all surprised by that, and we all know that the release date of the film has been deferred. I don't think things are extremely bad. Of course, it's very strange the way things have happened, and it's very strange that people are choosing to decide before watching a film. So that's very weird. And I've been saying this all throughout कि भैया film देख लो, उसके बाद आप decide कीजिए. Why do you have so many preconceived notions which are not based on any facts? Because the facts can only be discussed once whatever you're talking about is viewed. So it's very surprising to see so many people talk about something they've not watched. So that's very surprising. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's in terrible taste, and really, this should not. I didn't expect. It's very surprising to see so much being said and so much being spoken about, a lady to begin with, and so I'm also very shocked about it. Very shocked. I promoted Padmavati all day. I did a radio trail, and then I did one more thing, I think. But after that, we didn't promote because we were not sure when we were going to release the film. So it doesn't make sense to go on promoting things unless there is a plan in place. And as soon as we have clarity on that, we will be everywhere. Ji. I'm glad that you feel he looks relaxed. I have not had the chance to meet him or speak to him. I wonder how you know. No, my heart goes out to him. He is probably the finest filmmaker that I've worked with, and he has tried his level best. See, eventually everything becomes subjective. Everybody can have an opinion, and the whole idea of a democracy is to respect each other's opinions and to do things with love and warmth and with belief that the person in front of us is not deliberately trying to harm us. So he's been at the receiving end of a lot of criticism. And he's not been able to show his film. And for somebody of his caliber to not be able to present his film is not something that is right for him at this stage and at this stature in his career. So I'm just wishing and praying and sending a lot of love to him every day, and really, give the film a shot, man. I mean, why are you judging it? Just see it and decide for yourself. But see it, please. So it's basically been a nice big circle and we're back to where we started, which is where we should have been, which is how it should have been. The CBFC should be the right body to take a decision, and I'm hoping that sooner, not later, because it's already been pretty long, we will get a decision. And like I said, I saw a lot of problems with Udta Punjab, and eventually the film released and everybody saw it, and the people the film was about loved it the most. And I really do believe that it will be similar for Padmavati. I just hope people see the film with an open heart and an open mind, and I will respect their opinions after that. But I really wish and pray that people see the film. You know, nobody will ever want to make a film to hurt anybody's sentiments, because everybody wants to make a film for the maximum number of people to view it. You know, that's just the basic of cinema. So I hope people will believe in that. पता नहीं इस फिल्म का तो हर चीज़ जो भी हो रही है बहुत ही फर्स्ट टाइम टाइप हो रही है. So I don't know whether it will be better or worse or whatever. Eventually a good film does well, and whenever this film comes out, people will react the way they would to any other story that is being told. And if the film has the dignity and the strength and the originality and the cinematic effect that a good film should have, then I think people will speak well for it. And I believe that it's a good, really good film. I believe that. किसको मैसेज दूं मैं? फैंस को? I think I've said everything I need to say, because I understand you guys need answers, but it's not necessary to make sensational statements right now. I don't think that's the best thing to do. It would be wonderful to do that to get a lot of attention, but that's not my personality. My personality is, I believe right now there is a situation and it must be contained and the right thing must happen. So I think I've said everything that I needed to say.
It's unacceptable. It is unacceptable. I think the way it is going, it's really unacceptable, and it's shocking the way it's going. And I really hope that it comes to some solution, and really fast, because a film is made with a lot of hard work. I'm sure that there are some concerns, but at least something. It should be viewed first. It should be watched first, and then taken any opinion or passed any opinion. That's what I feel. Thank you.
It's very scary. It's scary to be a part of the industry and see something like that happening. I think no matter what you do, acting is our job. We are sort of portraying characters, which is our job, and I'll be scared to sort of portray a character in future where you know it might offend someone and publicly someone can sort of give me a death threat. It is very scary. But I also feel honestly that it's something that maybe media should not really be showing also so much. You know, if a normal person also goes out there and says that, you know, I give a reward on so and so thing, I don't think you would really show it. It's not something to be shown. It's not something to be spread. So I think it needs to be like taken care of from every end.
Being an actress, there's reports which are published in the newspapers and the other actors do
I think this is not the right place, but I'd like to say that जो भी हो रहा है गलत हो रहा है, and it shouldn't happen. हमारी country में अगर ऐसे openly threats दिए जाए तो I don't think that's the correct thing, and I think strict action should be taken against it. But that's all I'll say now. बाकी का बाद में हम बात
I mean, I find it sad. I find it sad that people have to resort to death threats.
better, more peaceful way of resolving things. And I mean, no one should ever be exposed, or no one should ever be succumb to death threats. I think that's the worst kind of behavior anyone could have.
Of course, I think we are a free country and we should have freedom of speech in every aspect of our nation, and I'm a very big fan of Sanjay Sirs, and I think Deepika is lovely, and I truly cannot wait till I watch Padmavati. We all totally stand with them.